In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements in Webflow effortlessly. Let's dive into the dynamic environment of Webflow, where your creativity can truly shine. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting on your journey, mastering the art of positioning elements precisely on your workspace can be a game changer. First, we'll explore the intuitive drag and drop method directly on the canvas. This technique is quite straightforward and visually oriented, allowing you to see changes in real time as you rearrange components on your page. Simply select the element you want to move by clicking on it, then drag it to your desired location on the canvas. This approach provides immediate feedback and is perfect for quickly organizing your layout without delving into deeper configuration settings. Next, let's talk about restructuring in the Navigator panel. This tool offers a more structured view of your page elements, arranged hierarchically. You can easily drag elements within this panel to reorder them. This method is especially useful for complex pages with numerous nested items, as it gives you a clear overview of the relationships and hierarchy among elements. Plus, it allows you to maintain consistency across different sections of your website with ease. For those of you seeking more precise control over your design, the Settings panel in Webflow is your best friend. Here, you can meticulously adjust margins and paddings, which are crucial for ensuring that each element fits perfectly within your layout. By tweaking these values, you can refine the spacing around your elements to achieve a professional-looking design. Remember, margin will control the spacing outside the element, while padding will adjust the space inside, around the content. An essential part of positioning in Webflow is understanding the role of the element's position property. Options like relative or absolute give you diverse ways to manipulate how an element sits on the page. Setting an element to relative allows you to move it in relation to where it would normally be placed, without disrupting the layout around it. This is great for subtle adjustments. On the other hand, an absolute position detaches the element from the normal flow of the document, letting you position it anywhere relative to its nearest positioned ancestor. This can be particularly useful for creating unique designs where certain elements need to stand out or overlap in an artistic manner. By mastering these techniques of drag and drop Navigator panel rearrangements and precise adjustments in the Settings panel, you'll be able to achieve a polished and well-structured design. Whether it's for a personal project or a professional website, having a solid grasp on these methods will undoubtedly enhance your design capabilities in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting to discover what amazing designs you can create.